dirty clean concept. Let's learn. This is dirty hand, and after washing your hand, it's clean. So, dirty, clean. In this pandemic, what is everywhere? Coronavirus. So, you have to use sanitizer or hand wash. So, your hand should be clean. So, this is dirty hand and this is clean hand. You're playing everywhere, you're touching everything, so your hand dirty. And when you wash your hand is clean. So dirty, clean. Yes, when you wake up early in the morning and you're playing outside, you have become a dirty. See here, this boy. And after taking a bath, you are a clean. So dirty, clean. Now you like to eat everything. When you eat everything, then what will happen? Your teeth is dirty. And when you brush your teeth, you can see your brush, your teeth become clean. So always brush your teeth after your eating food, and when you wake up early in the morning, brush your teeth. Always brush your teeth twice in a day. So this is dirty. And this is after brushing your teeth, clean. Now see here, everything you are eating na, so dirty. And this is after brush your teeth, clean. So always brush your teeth. Now you can see a water. This is dirty water and this is clean water. In dirty water you can see germs. And this is pure water, clean water. Now here your clothes. You can see dirty. Hold you are wearing clothes na, so it become dirty, and after wash it's clean. Now here she's playing lots of in mud and she's not take a bath, so she is dirty. And she is taking bath and she wear clean clothes, so she is clean. So always keep yourself clean. Now you can see your toys. Teddy bear. Always you are playing with them and it become dirty. And you have to keep clean and tidy your toys. This is clean toys. And here you can see this is dirty ball. You're playing in the mud, so it's dirty. And you have to keep your, after playing you have to clean the things and keep. This is a clean. Your ball is clean. So this is dirty. This is clean. Now shoes. You're wearing your shoes and roaming here and there everywhere. So it become dirty. And when you keep your shoes clean, so it become clean. So always you keep your shoes clean. Dirty, clean. Now socks. When you wear your whole day socks, it becomes smell, dirty smell, stinking, dirty. And this is clean, wash socks. So always wear clean socks. Now in the house, what you're using for cleaning the things? Which room? Bathroom. And when you use your bathroom, it should be clean. You have to keep your bathroom like this. This is wrong. This is dirty bathroom. Messy. You can see dirty. And this is clean. So always keep your bathroom clean. Now you can see here your pet. This is dirty. She is also roaming here and there and not taking bath. And here you can see this cat. It's clean. So you always keep your pet also clean. Oh, puppy. This is also dirty. And this is clean. So always keep your pet clean. Now in the kitchen, Mama is doing so much work, cleaning the kitchen every day, whole day she's cleaning. So you can see in the kitchen, when you eat the food, all utensils become dirty. And after cleaning the utensil, you can see this bowl clean. Now when you eat your food, after eating your food, your plate become dirty. And when you wash your plate, it's become clean. So this is dirty and clean. So always keep your kitchen clean. You will not keep your kitchen dirty. So Mama is doing so lots of work now in the house. In the house also, you also keep the things properly, no? Like this, you have to keep your table. No, dirty. You can always keep your table clean. Now in the house, this is your room. You can see this is dirty, messy room, and this is clean room. You can see here also all messy, dirty. When you're playing in the room, you have to keep like this? No, after finish your playing, you have to keep the things properly. This is dirty, this is clean. Now here you can see this bedroom. This is also dirty. And here after keep your things on your place and keep the things tidily, so it's clean. So dirty, clean. When you're seeing your garden outside, now when you go out or in a garden or anywhere, you should keep your place clean. You will not do messy everywhere. This is wrong. This is dirty. You always throw your garbage in the dustbin. In a dustbin. So always keep your surrounding clean. Sometime you're going outside for picnic, for anywhere. So you have to keep your city clean. You have to keep your city clean. Okay? This is dirty and this is clean. You are a good girl, na? So always keep your things on your place and always keep yourself clean. So you learn about dirty and clean. So you learned dirty and clean concept. So you should always help your mother for cleaning the house. Keep your thing on your place. Don't mess your room. Put your toys on the place. You're a good girl. So learn about how you keep yourself clean and tidy. Okay? So before you're going to bed, also you have to keep your Bed sheet, pillow cover, everything you have to keep tidy. So, children, thank you. Bye.